Ka Tympang Club yamusyang ka wayne ke club balarim tam hajuai kala pynlong ye ki jingiakop shit jabieng ni literary nakbenta ki school but ki college hapwa West Giant Hills District kum shibynta ka jingrak he ya ka kwaskwi centennial ni ka jingdap shispa arpusan snem. Ya ki jingiakop la pynlong ha kalai phuai tarik nai tung ha hol ka klam ya ka balapli da ka Dr. Waisa Sumer DSEO DMC but in charge Joint Director DSEL West Giant Hills ha ka jingdon lang ka IES barim ka ripnar lingdo na lor kiway. Habakran kum ka kongsan ka Dr. Sumer kala ay kuble ya ka Tympang Club jumay ka balala ban pun orlong ya ka ni ka thong ba kongsan but kala pun shlori ki khna school ban shim kabu ban shimbanta ha ki jingiakop da ka bapan pau ba kum ki ni ki jingiakop shut jabieng ki dei ka benta ka ba kongsan ha ka puli puthi. Kajingalang kabaningkong kade kajingakop etainya na kabenta ki college halor kamat modern lifestyle is weakening our culture, traditions and community bonds. Baro kiladon pratli ki college na kaleng ki district ki balai shimbenta ha kajingakop dibin hinyotli ki school ha kajingakop extempore speech but pratli ki school ha kajingakop quiz hadila sam kusnam shabaro ki nongjam balapnyai da uma moramen.
Notion of competency-based learning to reduce our reliance on rote memory. To take everyone down the line, let's look some of the strategies of Barak. Self-evaluation. I'm so glad that the Tympang Club Juwan has organized this kind of a literary program. Quiz competition, debate competition, extempore speech. Why? In order that you have your self-evaluation. First and foremost, test yourself. My dear students, it's time that you test yourself. It's not that all the time we have to always depend on our teachers. They are only the one who will guide, who will lead us. But the platform will be yours. So self-evaluation is so important and it aligns with today's competition. Self-evaluation does not mean that it is that it will apply. The applications should not be just for you all dear students. It has to be for the teachers as well. Assessing the performance of our students, aligning with the NCERT. We call it as the Barak. Barak means the Performance Assessment Review, an analysis of knowledge for holistic development. It was established under NCERT as part of NEP 2020.
Life by following someone other. You don't have your freedom. So that's for me like challenges that I have to face. My mom always told me that if you don't have a good job, you will never be anyone in life. No one will ever remember you. That's not it. Let me tell you something. We all have only one life. Let us just cherish this one life so that everybody on this planet will know us. Even if you make mistake hundreds times, just do the thing you love to do. Don't let yourself pressure by all the things that happen in your life. So for me, learning with mistakes is the best thing that I have done. I have been against my parents, my teachers, my elders, but I have never let myself down on being of what I want.
It is not bad to choose. And yes, books also, we can concentrate as I have mentioned before. We can, because of the reading skills, we can improve our reading skills, our learning skills. Sometimes it is very difficult even to pronounce. Yes, in movies also, we can learn our...
Like with the guys I've been sharing, I have a best friend, a male best friend, and we've been friends for 4 years now, and we've been sharing a lot about ourselves, and I feel like it heals me. It really heals me. Yes, it heals me. I want to post to girls, but girls, you're also good. But sometimes being
before that day, there will be a community gathering in our locality, and we call it a jabieng, or we call it jingiakop. So we usually the community gathers, and everyone would usually participate in helping cutting their vegetables, helping clean the meat and all. However, nowadays due to modern lifestyle, people think catering is better, a buffet, organized buffet. So where is the community bonding?
1.5 years, so we did a positive certificate mark. Isn't that an example? Isn't that a mark of the community bond that they have? If, sir, you do not have the bond within yourself in the community, would we be here? We won't be here, sir. That's an obvious thing that we should know. And we must agree to the fact that culture, tradition, they are all bounded in the community. And community is the one that surrounds everything. And the people in the community work together to make sure that people vote and we inculcate them in our day-to-day practices. Now, speakers are talking about preserving the culture, unity, and tradition. We have digital documentations like events mentioned earlier, like Bennington, Shasun Sale, Wangala Festival. They are all documented. They have been documented physically, but physical documentation is not good. So we modernize, we upgrade, we document them digitally through videos, then through files, data, and everything as such present. What is available to us? And so talking about coding, a recent movement is that of Khasi women see wearing jersey in the FIFA World Cup 2026. Now people will see her wearing that and like, what is that? Speaker sir, do you know? If you've seen something out of wonder, you'll be guessing right, what is that? And that represents our community. And in